The nutrigenomic approach to health is built on the foundation of a healthy diet and healthy lifestyle habits. In the past, those have always been considered important, but today, as the research unfolds, healthy diet and lifestyle have become an essential part of patient care for patients with a whole variety of chronic health problems. There's a new article that was just published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition that made the point very nicely, I think. The title of the article is called "Putting Your Genes on a Diet." And they pointed out in the article that traditionally, food is thought to influence human health through its nutrient content, whereas drugs are recognized to act through molecular pathways. In the past, they thought that if you eat a reasonably decent diet, that you're adequately nourished, and there's really nothing more that nutrition or food can do for you. If you wanted to modulate pathways related to health, you really needed a medication, a drug. But they go on in the article to say the consumption of a meal stimulates the release of numerous hormones that can powerfully affect signal transduction and gene function. So nutrition does more than just nourish the body. It actually signals the genes and stimulates or controls gene function and gene expression. They go on to say that molecular pathways involved in hormone action have been the target of multi-billion-dollar pharmaceutical research effort. However, many of these pathways may normally be under dietary regulation. And so in some cases we've been looking in the wrong place for answers to modulating those pathways. They go on and say that the results of the present study emphasize the age-old wisdom to use food as medicine, in this case for the targeted prevention and treatment of obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. And that, again, is the foundation of a nutrigenomic approach to health care, using food as medicine. Because when you combine the power of an appropriate diet and lifestyle program with things like targeted medical foods to deal with specific health problems or additional dietary supplements to address underlying mechanisms, you have a powerful medicine that's unlike anything else you'll find in the published literature. And that really is the future of healthcare today.